what happened when the GoPro died. Okay, so that's a dugong. That was pretty cool, that one. Then over here we've got a manta ray. That manta ray was swimming in the ocean just like I was, so that was pretty cool. Up next we've got the manta ray's cousin, a stingray, but this one had blue dots on it, and I thought that was pretty cool. Up next, it's me and Robert singing. I'm trying to talk over. Here we go, we've got the emu in the caravan park who decided that he actually wanted to steal all my breadcrumbs that day and really shit me up the wall. So Dylan tried to fight it, and yeah, we lost that. Here's Maddie swimming with whales. They're pretty big. Look at them. Big humpback whale there. And then here's us next. We're going to be swimming with the whale sharks, which was pretty sick. I'll just sort of not talk over this either. There's me swimming with the whale shark. I didn't actually have any flippers because I broke them, so I just had to swim with my feet. It was very, very hard to keep up. That thing was really super duper fast, which was good as. Not with people with flippers though. Oh, there's us in the boat. That's me. Hi guys, welcome to the Yeehaw Adventures. The GoPro's died. Don't know what to do about it, but today I'm driving Rob's boat for Rob. Here's Rob. We're in the marina at Exmouth. Dylan and Maddie are over there.
Hey.
Had a great day today. We made some spring rolls, and what else did we do?
Dumplings?
Yeah, chicken wings. Oh no, dumplings. But yeah, that's about it. Bye. So this day we took the tinnies all the way out to an island, and we floated around the island, went fishing, had a swim around in there. It was pretty cool. There's the boats. Dylan jumped one of the big waves on a tinny. That was pretty cool to see. This is us up at the lighthouse, sunset. This is the mossy turtle. You might see a glimpse of me. There's me. It was pretty cold that day. This is when we were trying to get crayfish. Lo and behold, here is us getting a crayfish. That's me holding one. There's Robert with his hand in a hole underwater. Pretty cool to see. Man can hold his breath, which is impressive. I can't do that. It's pretty hard. Then there's me holding a crayfish. Yep. There's Maddie with crayfish antennas in her hair, pretending to be a crayfish. That's fantastic. Up next, we've left Exmouth and we've gone to Karajini National Park, and here we are at Fern Pool. We've got Courtney filming here at the moment because I'm clearly swimming there. Can't be filming and swimming at the same time, unlike Courtney. Here is my fat ass trying to climb up a rock very, very slowly by the looks of things. Oh, there we are. We've got there in the end. Fantastic. Next is a model shot of me and Robert. Just enjoy that. They had these weird-ass fish that would eat your feet in the water, so I thought I'd poke my feeties in and have a go. Here is us at another gorge. All right, we're at the waterfall now, which is connected to Fern Pool. Forgot what this one's called. But get ready to watch Robert fall in. There he goes. Fantastic. Have a laugh. Here's Robert trying to impress two Brazilian girls with his moves up on the rocks. But good as spot that was. The water wasn't too cold, so you could get in and have a swim. It wasn't even a hot day, but we were in there. My diving techniques, fantastic. Here's me almost fall over. Whoop, here we go. Troopers, creepers. Everyone hold on. Boy. Here's some more photos of the gorge walk to get down to one of the other gorges. So there we are, wandering through. Pretty cool down there. There's me, give it a wave. Yep, fantastic. Off we go. Now this was us heading towards Kermit's Pool, which is probably the coolest one out of them all. It was probably about a 45-minute walk in, and 45-minute walk out, but geez, it was freezing in that water. Is Robert almost fall off? Oh, that would have been a good one.
Holy moly. Hi guys, we made it to Kermit's pool. It's pretty cool at Kermit's pool. We're actually gonna watch Robert fall in here. What's it like, Robert? Cold? Should I jump in? Alright.
Alright, back again with me talking. Here's another swimming hole. It was pretty good. Also cold, didn't get in that one actually. That's the end of that gorge, pretty cool. Okay, we've gotten to Broome now. There's a couple of mud crabs. How many mud crabs did we catch on the first day? 8 mud crabs on the first day, fantastic. That was good as. There's all the mud crabs in the esky, just relaxing. Here's me, wine glass in hand, having a good old sing. I'll just talk over the top of it because no one needs to hear that. Up next, I don't know what we've got. Probably I think we've got dolphins. Oh, yep, here we go. Lovely Courtney filming again because no GoPro. So just some dolphins that we went and hung out with for a little bit. They were pretty active. Had 2 baby ones with them as well, so that was pretty cool to see. That same day we were out fishing, and we got a few absolute dogs. Just there we are, a couple of dogs, one flatty. Here's Campbell's video of the beach on the quad bike. Gorgeous.
God dang.
Oh, some more whales. Apparently these whales may have been making a baby whale at the time because there's a lot of fins going on and one whale upside down, so who knows what's going on there. But we went and interrupted them, of course, and I don't think they were too happy about it. So there they go. Then Dylan Campbell caught some fish. There's a fish, there's another fish. That's a turtle. Here's some more fish that we caught, cobia, mac and shark. There's the shark, courtesy of Campbell for filming this one. There's the cobia, there's the mac. We've got some Spanish flag in there too, so that's a win. There's me. Oh, then me and Campbell decided one night we'd treat ourselves at the pub and got really refreshed. And then here we are, we've finally caught up now. We got the GoPro back last night, and well, this is the last footage of this little update you'll get. Thank you very much, and yeah,
Peace out.
thanks for watching.